Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to announce the React challenges series. So our first challenge to create a simple counter component. Create a simple counter component. Okay, let's dive into the code. So here I'm taking import React from React. Okay, after that const counter I'm taking one arrow function export default counter. Okay, so within this I'm taking return div, closing the div. So here I'm taking h1 counter. Okay, counter. So I need to implement counter function until here. So now I'm taking one state const count set count use state. Use state is a hook, the functional components. Okay, here I'm taking initial value 0. Initial value 0. So within the div I'm taking two buttons. Okay, this is the increment button. This is the decrement button. So within this I am taking div, closing the div counter. Okay, so here I'm taking event handlers on click, simply I'm taking increase and in submit. Here also I'm taking event handler on click, decrease, handle, submit. Okay, so now I'm taking const okay set count on plus. So after that I'm taking const decrease, handle, submit. Okay, simply set count. Okay, here I copied -1. Okay, Okay. Okay. So now here I'm applying inline style, display flags, justify content, center, and gap. So here I'm passing count. Okay. When I click on increment, it should be increased. When I click on decrement, it should be decreased. Okay. Now I want increment should be maximum 10, decrement should be minimum 0. Okay. So now here I'm passing within the increment handler if count greater than 10 within the subclass. If count less than 0, I pass this way. Now I need to check. So see, up to 10 it's enough. When I click on the decrement, it should be 0. Okay. Now I want see here the background color of the count displayed should change based on the value on the count. So here if the even number, the count background color should be green. If the prime number, the count background color should be pink. Okay. Otherwise blue. Okay. So now here I am taking const get color okay. If even number means count percent of 2 equal to 0, it return green. Okay. Else if is prime return pink. Okay. Otherwise simply return blue. Return blue. Now I need to check prime condition. Const is prime. Okay. Here taking one argument number. If number less than or equal to 1, simply return false. Okay, for let I equal to 2, I less than number and I plus plus. Within this I am taking if number percent of I to 0, it simply return false. It simply return false. Okay, otherwise simply return true. Simply return true. So within this style background color, simply pass get color. Padding here I am given 10 pixel. Okay, so now when I click on increment, this is not a prime and even. This is the even number. This is the prime number. Even, prime, even, prime, even. Okay, like this. When and here also, see, within the increment button, the increment should be reached 10. The button should be disabled. Button should be disabled. The button should be disabled. 10 like this. See, when you click on 0, it should be button should be disabled. That's it guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.